So, welcome back, dear student. We read about the wastage of water. We don't waste water, we don't waste food, and we would not use these kind of things which are create garbage and harmful for our earth. So, overconsumption of the garbage it creates is a growing problem for today's society. Each year we recycle more, but we also create more garbage. It is various circles we all help to create. With a little more thoughts, we can all change our habits for each one of us throws or less garbage. These small but worthwhile changes may at first seem inconvenient, but soon you are habitual about this, and this is useful for you. If we have some spare land, we may dig a compost pit in it and dump our leftover fruits, fruit, vegetable peels, decompose and make natural fertilizers. Here is some ways which we change, just like calculate your carbon footprint, save water by reducing water uses, reduce the use of energy, go for green building design, recycle your mobiles and other electronic gadgets. So with that we can not all but little bit control that garbage and all. Easy first step to help reduce wastage: buy product not packaging, refuse to purchase product that use excessive packaging and materials. These all things are wasteful. Give the flick in one off use shopping bags. Try to minimize the number of one off use plastic shopping bags with reusable shopping bags. When we just forget, wherever possible, reuse and plastic shopping bags to get as much life out of them before decomposing and recycling them. Way to make a bigger impact: recycle all material possible. Just recycling paper and containers reduce waste of landfills up to 27%. There are also collection programs: electronic waste, old computer, old mobile, fridges, chemical waste and car batteries. These all things are recycled. So, and we will reduce, just like buy products with minimal packaging and recycling any packaging where possible. Bulk buy products with a long shelf life. You just give the preference these this kind of products which have lifelong, means we use again and again the same product. Here is reuse of plastic bags. We look products that can be reused many times. Choose durable or reasonable and reusable things. Instead of these things you have used only one time. Recycling: a good recycling ensures that he recycling goods, and also consider what to buy, whether the products have recycled capabilities or not. At the end, we have learn one thing: that avoid packaging made of more than one material that can be separated or put in your waste recycling bin. For example, plastic laminations on paper, gift wrappers. We will give some gift to you, we are wasting so much money on that for wrapping these gifts and all. This is all are waste and increase the garbage. So in future when you purchase anything, avoid to this wrapping paper and gift paper and other gift materials just is used for packaging that gift. Avoid packaging materials. So moral of the story: this is not a story, this is a very serious topic about that. Simply by being conscious of our shopping habits and by trying to be the best recycler, we can make a real difference to the environment and the future of the world. So, dear student, you try to use these things. Don't waste water. Don't leave food in your plates. Give your old things to another who have not as fortune they have used these kind of things. So hope you all are doing well. Thank you and have a nice day.